Are you struggling to keep your child focused? A real problem with an excellent solution. Your child is capable, but slowly losing interest in studies. Why does this happen? It is not laziness, it is not lack of ability. The real problem is this: learning becomes about pressure, not curiosity. Children start learning for finishing work, getting marks, avoiding mistakes. And slowly, curiosity fades, confidence drops, learning becomes mechanical. But here is the truth: a small shift can change everything. When we guide differently, children learn differently. This is exactly what I share in my book, How to Help Your Child Learn, Think, and Succeed Independently. Contact Global Math Institute for more details. Thank you.